Hello and welcome to our part 2 of our how-to series on navigating the NWS Detroit Pontiac website. And in part 2 we'll be finding the preliminary monthly climate data, which is what we call the CF6 product. So first off, you want to start off by going to our homepage, which is weather.gov/Detroit. From there, you'll want to go on the left-hand side, the blue column. About halfway down, you'll see a section called Climate. From there, you'll click on Local. You will then click on the second one down, so not the daily climate report, that was actually part 1 of our how-to video. For this video, we're actually looking at the monthly climate data, so you'll click on the second one where it says CF6. Then you can click on whatever location you would like, so we have 3 here. We have Detroit, Flint, or Saginaw. You will then pick the time frame, so most recent. Then last thing to do is hit go. So that actually brings up a separate window, and as you can see here, it brings up the monthly data for that month. And again, it gives you information such as your max and min temperatures, your heating degree days, cooling degree days, whether it rained, snowed, winds, stuff like that. Now for this example, for the last example we just did most recent, now I want to show you how to find the archive data. So if you're curious, was there a dry spell during a certain month, or did it rain for like a week straight? You can find that easily by looking at the monthly data. So again, you want to click on preliminary monthly climate data, whatever location you would like to look at. So instead of most recent, this is where you'll choose the archive data, and then you can scroll down and through the months and then choose your year too. And then, of course, hit go. And then, of course, that brings up the separate window with the month that you had chosen. Now, one thing I want to point out is that we do get a lot of calls about trying to get certified climate data. We actually don't do that at the office here. You will actually have to, the final and certified climate data can be accessed through the NCDC website, and you can find that right at the top there, and that's ncdc.noaa.gov. I want to thank you for listening to our part 2 of finding the preliminary monthly climate data, which is also known, of course, as our CF6. And one note is that this product is available for up to 5 years.